Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I want to say thank you for this opportunity. Good morning, everybody. My name is Ramadiani. I'm lecturer in Mulawarman University in the Computer Science Department in East Kalimantan. Okay, I want to present my papers. The title is Temperatures and Humidity Control System for the Broiler Chicken Coops. Let us begin. At the introductions, broiler chicken raised the tropic are vulnerable to the dangers of the heat stress. Heat stress can be defined as a condition in the livestock that experience an extreme temperature increase that come from outside or from inside the coops. Lack of adequate facilities in dealing with the stress in broilers is often a problem that is faced by the farmers to stabilize the humidity of the open coops air. Some way to stabilize the humidity of the coop air by using a water pump that will be placed to the broiler chicken that have increased the temperatures. This is considered effective to increase the level of humidity in the coops, which is seen from the behaviors of the animal themselves. A microcontroller is an IC which contains CPU, ROM, RAM, and I input and output. With this, the CPU, the microcontroller can do the process based on the common program that has been given. Microcontrollers are widely available in all electronic equipment. It can also be called a small size computer that is low power, so that a battery can provide the power. In Arduino Uno, there is an already ATmega 32H microcontroller, which has 14 digital input or output pins. The Arduino circuit is also equipped with a regulator IC that functions as a power supply circuit. This research uses the HT11 sensor as an indicator of the temperatures and humidity detection. The system will work when the TH11 sensor detects the temperatures and humidity based on the predetermined temperature value set on the microcontroller. If the temperature value is above 29 degrees Celsius, then the water pump will turn on, as well as the water pump will turn off automatically when the temperature is below 30 degrees Celsius. Tool design. The making of the prototype of these temperatures and humidity regulation system goes through several manufacturing stages, starting with the preparing the tools to be used, such as acrylic box and Arduino mainboard arrangement. The purpose of making acrylic box is intended as a container to put electronic components to facilitate and to adjust the system in it. The next process is to make an electronic schematic series of the temperatures and humidity control system, where the Arduino ATmega 32H microcontroller is connected several other components such as the DTH-T11 sensors, 2-channel relay, buzzer, LED indicators, 16:2 LCD, battery, water pump, and several other components. And constructing the system, the stage of making this circuit, what is done to prepare the components to be used, such as the DTHT11 sensor, Arduino Uno, ATM Mega 32H. In Arduino Uno, there is an already ATM Mega 32H microcontroller, which has 14 digital input and output pins, or 6 output for PWM. The Arduino circuit is also equipped with a regulator IC that functions as a power supply circuit. This series was added with the presence of a buzzer as an alarm, LCD 16:2 as a display of the temperature value, and the LEDs that function as a form of the notification in the form of flashing light on the circuits. And DTHT11 sensor circuit use a 10K resistor and get a 5-volt electrical input to deliver impulsion to the Arduino, whereas for the LED and water pump are connected to the relay circuit. This is the component installation series in our system. This one, the adapters in the motherboards Arduino. We have an LCD to display the temperature and humidity degrees. This one, the sensors, our sensor, DTHT11 sensors, and then LED for the warning, and the buzzers, relay the temperature and humidity. This is the water pump. Okay, continue. The system flow chart. We start from here. In condition where the temperature increase, the DTHT11 sensor will detect the temperature. The DTHT11 sensor detect the LCD display the humidity temperatures. Detect the temperatures and humidity from the LCD display, and then instruct the water pump to turn on and splash water in the form of the water through a relay is set based on the source code in Arduino at Mega 32H. This system also equipped this system also equipped with buzzer output that is useful signs or a warning will change to a higher temperature. This one, after the LCD display the temperature or humidity, and then the temperatures analysis, we get the temperature degree. If the degree of the temperatures is above 30 derajat Celsius, so the water pump is on, and then if the temperature degree is under or below to 29 derajat Celsius, so the water pump is off. Okay, we can continue this one. From the figure 6, the example of output LCD, we can see the temperature of and humidity of the Coops, the Broiler Coops, and then the figure 7 we can see the process how to upload the Arduino program, Arduino program. And then the figure is the figure 8, we can see the DTH11 sensor in this system. Okay, we continue the conclusion. We get the conclusion in our presentation now. Based on the result of the study and the descriptions of the system has run according to the research planning, starting from the preparation of the tools, design and manufacturing of the system, testing and implementation. It can be concluded that the temperatures and humidity control system can work very well. All important components such as DTH11 sensor, LCD, LED, buzzers, and water pump can function properly. The DTH11 sensor can detect temperature and humidity in the open chicken coops area. This temperature and humidity control system will work automatically and repeatedly when the DTH11 sensor can detect the high temperatures in the chicken coops. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.